Hello, Harvest here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Amazon Shop app on your phone. So, first thing that you want to do is go to the Play Store, search bar again, Amazon, right here, and check if you have the newest version of the app like me. That's the most common issue. Maybe you just need to update the app. After updating, there should be everything cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So the first way is go up to the settings, scroll a little down, go to the apps, Finder, Amazon, right there, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all of them like this, like here. That should fix problems. And just here, unrestrict the mobile data. That should, after this, everything should be cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you last easiest way. So go back to the Play Store, uninstall, just reinstalling the app. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues with your app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.